Welcome to this short video on our latest analytics workbook, brought to you by the team at Maiden. Our analytics service helps iaptus users to unlock the information in your datasets and reveal valuable insights. In this video, we will walk you through how to use the new online appointment booking workbook. The online appointment booking feature enables iaptus users to create and send a link to patients so that they can make their own appointment bookings. If your service does not use the online appointment booking, but you'd like to know more, please contact your account manager. To access workbooks in iaptus, navigate to the Reports and Analysis and then to the Dashboards tab. You will see a list of all the workbooks available to your service. If you do not see the Dashboard tab, please talk to your super user and ask them to make dashboards available to you. As with all workbooks, online appointment booking opens with a welcome cover page to navigate through the different dashboards. In this case, we have 3 dashboards to explore. Online appointment booking activity, chosen appointment times and feature usage, appointment attendance and wait times with and without online appointment booking. The first dashboard looks at online appointment booking activity. Use the period start and end date filters to limit your data to a specified date range. For the top 2 charts, this date will be based on the date type selected on the right. The bottom 2 charts use the date selected on the right of the bottom chart. So if we select the date used as link sent date, the left-hand chart shows the number of links sent, those that were accessed or viewed, and those that resulted in an online booking where the link was sent between the period start and end date. The right-hand chart shows a timeline of this activity by month. In the first few months of using the online appointment booking feature, there won't be many months to show here, but this will build up over time. The bottom 2 charts look at what proportion appointments booked online are of the total appointments within the specified date range. You can either select the proportion of all appointments during this period, or if the reporting period starts before the date this feature was taken up by your service, what proportion of all appointments since the date the first link was sent, the go-live date. As you can see, there may be a difference between the number of appointments booked online in the top chart and the number in the bottom chart. Please see the information button for reasons why these figures might be different. The second dashboard looks at which appointment days and times have been chosen by patients when booking online and how long they have been waiting for their appointment. Select the date to be used for filtering the period start and end dates, either the link sent date, the access date, or the booking date. The top section shows a heat map showing the number of appointments booked by day of week and hour of day. The darker the colour, the greater the number of appointments. In this example, you can see that Tuesday is the most popular day for booking appointments, and at 8 o'clock in the morning. The button on the right here allows you to look at your data as a bar chart rather than heat map. The bottom chart shows you how long patients waited for their appointment. You can choose the time scale and which dates are used as the start and end for the waits. So in this example, it shows the number of days from the link sent date to the booking completed date. If you change the time scale to number of hours, you will notice that you get a box on the right which shows the number of hours to be displayed on the x-axis. The default is 24 hours, but you can change this. If you choose a number lower than the number of hours at least one of the patients actually waited, you will get a warning triangle to alert you to the fact that some of your data is missing from the chart. However, if you hover over the triangle, the tooltip will tell you what the maximum number was. The last dashboard shows the impact of the online appointment feature for your service. The top two charts compare the attendance between those who booked online and those who didn't. The period start and end dates are based on the filter date selected, either the booking date or the appointment date. You can choose to view your data in either numbers or percentages by using the parameter. The timeline of attendance shows the attendance by month for the attendance type selected on the right. In this example, it shows that in September, patients that booked online had a DNA rate of 6% and those that didn't had a DNA rate of 8%. The bottom two charts show the average wait times for appointments in days, comparing those whose appointments were booked online and those who weren't. In this case, we can see that the average number of days waiting for an appointment when booked online was 13 days, and for those not booking online, the wait is 16 days. Should you wish to refer back to any of these tips, you can find a summary of this information in the help guide built into each dashboard. Simply toggle on and off the blue Help Guide button to see an overlay of helpful prompts. We are always looking for new ways to support your work, reduce the burden of administration, and deliver the best care to patients. If there are any features you'd like to see added to this or any other workbook, please contact us via support logs or iaptus Innovations, and we'd be more than happy to talk through the details with you.